The Gorenje BOS6747A01BG built-in oven uses a digital control panel that relies on the internal clock to manage cooking timers and scheduled functions. After a power interruption or first installation, the display may blink to indicate that the time needs to be set. Adjusting the clock is important because many oven features such as delayed start or automatic cooking programs depend on the correct time being entered. Fortunately, setting the clock only requires a few simple adjustments using the control buttons on the front panel. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the oven display and press the clock or timer button on the control panel. Step 2. When the time digits begin flashing, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the hours. Step 3. Press the clock or confirmation button again to move to the minute setting. Step 4. Adjust the minutes using the plus or minus buttons until the correct time appears. Step 5. Press the clock button once more to confirm and store the new time on the display.